Bene Ogoni. Bene Ogoni. Kade Barri. Eleme mawi owe. Oyibo mamanu. Let me start before reading the communique. I want to quickly pass a message. And the message is simple. I want to tell anybody watching this program now from the villa, any Nigerians watching this program, that most of the people that they are seeing that comes to the villa in the night, let them come to the villa openly in the daytime. Most of the people you are seeing that are claiming that they are the supporters of the Mr. President, let them openly say it in the daytime. I want to say, as I'm talking to you here, based on the good work of Mr. President, the Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I'm a member of the People's Democratic Party. I want to say, looking at the expanse of roads and projects he has done in this country, with what he intends to do more, I'm not afraid. I'm not hiding in the night. And now here is daytime. I want to say, we cannot complete the project of Mr. President that is on hand just within 4 years. I am calling on Mr. President, unwavering, demanding him to come openly to also contest the 2027 general election as President, Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so that he can finish all the numerous projects ranging from the Coastal Road to the Badagry Express Road and all the ones we are doing from Calabar down here. We are also beneficiary. The road that expands from Onne down here, the concreting that is being done by Mr. President is another one that I think is super. What do we have to say? I don't think there's anybody that can come out in the People's Democratic Party that can contest with that. And I'm challenging on all the people in the so-called People's Democratic Party I belong. If you like, I need another letter. You can call a letter for invitation. I will not appear because I am totally supportive President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I want to thank our leader, the most respectful, the most performing, SYMFONI, and to say, because of him, we are gathered here. At any point in time, the OGONI belongs to you and will continue to belong to him. But let me warn the drastic incident that happened at Eleme today. Today must be the last. Unfortunately, I wasn't around. But I think next time it happens, we will return it together. I want to apologize. I want to apologize to our brothers across Ogoni that got to Eleme that were sent out. We will return it back to them. But they must have to apologize before time. On that note, on behalf of these our good people, the communique that is issued on behalf of this program. The Ogoni and Oyibo People's Assembly is an umbrella body for the people of Kana, Gokana, Tai, Eleme, and Oyibo LGS. And I've committed to have the People's Assembly as a platform to advance the best interests of the people of the 5 local governments in particular, Rivers State and Nigeria in general. The Ogoni and Oyibo People's Assembly express gratitude to Almighty God for a successful conference, loyalty, gratitude, and support to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We also affirm a complete faith and loyalty and commendation to the Minister of the FCT, Chief SYMFONI, not only as our leader in Rivers State, but as the extraordinary and unparalleled achiever in public service, both as Governor of Rivers State and as a Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. This People's Assembly, as an organization, we dedicate itself along with sisters organizations as Kagote, Mosob, Faroenwe Eleme, etc., to the pursuit of our economic and political freedoms and advancement. This assembly recall that at the end of the tenure of Nyesom Wike as governor, he directed that his successor should be from the Rivers Southeast Senatorial District. This was indeed the right thing to do, as it was the only district that had not produced a governor in Rivers State. He chose one SYMFONI, a son of Opobo, as governor. One of our smallest NGOs, in our usual loyalty around constant commitment to the Wike administration, we work hard to secure a victory for SYMFONI. The battle to secure victory for SYMFONI was difficult, as he was seen as a non-Ijaw, semi-Ijaw. It is ironical, but we accept the fact that those who opposed and voted against him, SYMFONI, that he was unworthy. Friends and those of us who worked tirelessly for his hard-earned victory under the leadership of the Minister of the SCT are now, however, perhaps out of time. In his prediction again, Chief Ike Clark needs also to be told that the Ogoni people and Oyigbo people are totally committed to whatever thing that has to do with the Minister of the SCT. And at no point in time should he address the minister negatively because he was not in support of Governor Fubra at the initial time. The years the leaders of Rivers State have tried to unite our people in spite of our ethnic fault line, but no one more than Clark sees anything outside Ijaw. He criticized Fubra's choice as not Ijaw at night. Once the problem between the governor, Fubra, and Minister Wike started, Fubra suddenly became an acceptable Ijaw to Edwin Clark. For Clark, the people of other ethnic groups do not matter or exist. Only Ijaws, it is important to mention that we are the Ogonis and Oyigbo. We are the Ogonis and Oyigbo. And we are one of the largest ethnic groups in Rivers State. Perhaps second to be most outstanding after the inquiries. We fought for Ijaw man to get elected as governor, only to be condemned by these Ijaw leaders. We asked Chief Clark most respectfully that to quickly, unwarrantedly, withdraw whatever type of hatred and insulting words against our leader. Attention. On the FCT minister immediately in Rivers State should stop immediately. We have, out of respect for his age and person, restrained ourselves. There are issues in Delta, his home state, that require his attention. His obsession and middleness in Rivers State affairs has divided us and cautiously in threatening our state. Please, this is a good enough time for him to put his energies on his legacy and an end to his unfatherly behavior. His ignorable act has spurred copycats like Honorable Ugochiyere, Imo, and Chief Dan Anyanwu, amongst others. These individuals are conflict merchants and rent seekers with no rules in their own states. They are easy or release access to Rivers State resources has made intuition into our affairs irresistible. Like Clark, they will pick on Wike and say the most outrageous things on natural TV in order to get the little reward they seek from Rivers State. Their corrupt mind completely obliterable and arbiter of shame their comedy appearances on TV display. They do not fact check nor consider the gravity of their attention-seeking media appearances or observe false allegations against Wike or of us. Authentic and the only recognized members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, as we also stand with the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. We also stand with the Supreme Court decision that CTCs are unlawful. We are disturbed by continuous disbursement of funds to caretaker committee who shared those monies in hotels room and constitute one of the most wasteful expenditure of our time. Time will come when all these funds will definitely be demanded. While from time to time we shall speak further on contemporary issues, we wish to delete that the Ogonis and Oyigbo will no longer stand by and be helpless in fighting for our interest. For us, our time has come, and our time is now. Our time to fight for the education of our children, our time to pursue the rights of our people to economic opportunities, the empower our youth and women, and create the environment for our people to actualize the innate potential. This is our moment. This is our time. We demand our right to seek the highest office in our state. We intend to ensure that the next governor of Rivers State is from our zone. It is only fair that working with the queries, the people of Orashi, Echase, the Jaws of Rivers State, and others, we shall prevail. We shall win. We want to thank you for listening. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, distinguished Senator Barri Mpigi. He has spoken to us, and he has pledged the undiluted, unreserved.